Hi, ma'am.
Hello, Kiran.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. How are you?
I'm fine, ma'am.
So
And
nice to see you.
yes, ma'am. Same here.
What a nice smiling face. Are you back from school or did you have a holiday today?
Yes, I back before 15 minutes ago.
Oh, okay.
Before.
You just came back 15 minutes ago. Okay.
Yes, yes,
So much dedication to start your session just after coming back. Very good, Kiran.
yes, yes.
Okay.
Because I was eager to meet you from a long time.
I
Because
wanted.
now 10 days I haven't take, taken session.
Oh my God. Why? What happened?
Because of the exams are going on 10th
Uh-huh.
standard and 12th standard, that's why.
Yes, you were telling me. That's okay.
Yes.
Very good,
But
Kiran.
when I get chance, I do practice every day,
Okay.
uh, reading practice
Mm-hmm.
and converse with the chat GPT.
Oh my, that's quite
Yes.
impressive. Okay,
Yes.
that's very good. Okay, it's good to see you are using AI now,
Yes,
artificial
yes.
intelligence. Yes. How is your experience using Chat GPT?
Yes, good. I give it instruction, what I want to learn. It helps me a lot.
Okay, but just for your class preparation, have you ever used Chat GPT to prepare for your class?
Yes, yes. If
Okay,
I have any doubt, that time I use ChatGPT, go through
okay,
it, and if I stuck with any topic at that time, I go through it and learn from it.
okay, very nice. And do you think your students have also started using Chat GPT?
Yes, yes, they are also use ChatGPT, and I tell them you
Okay,
have to use ChatGPT, and you have to keep yourself update,
okay,
so you don't lag behind it.
okay.
Mhm. Okay.
Okay, they are also use Chat GPT or they are also using Chat GPT, which is correct?
They are also using ChatGPT.
Yes, very good. You said they are
Yes.
also use. So when present tense, then ing.
Right. Yes, I
They
got
are
it.
also use. Okay, fantastic. Okay. Did you see the session notes for today?
Yes, yes.
Very
Yes,
interesting topic. And that picture, I can see you only standing, Kiran. The first
yes,
picture in
yes.
the section notes, there is a beautiful young lady standing with three kids. Yes, that
Yes.
photo. That in that photo, that lady looks like you only.
Okay,
Okay,
thank you.
okay, Kiran. Now tell me, when you were growing up and you were in school, who was your favorite teacher that you still remember till today?
Yes, I when I was in school at that time, I had a teacher. Her name is Sauji,
Okay,
ma'am, and
uh-huh.
so taught us English subject.
Okay,
And the most part I like used to solve the uh, grammar part.
okay,
Grammar part.
okay. I used to solve the
Used to
grammar.
solve the yes
Grammar.
grammar
Okay,
grammar. Yes.
okay, that's very good, Kiran. So, do you see that you have used this word used to very nicely and absolutely correct? Okay, let me tell
Mm-hmm.
you, we use used to when something started in the past. I used to do something in the past, but I don't do it now. Then we use
Mm-hmm.
used to. Okay,
Yes, yes,
okay. So, for example, I used to wake up very late in the morning when I was a child. Okay, it means
yes, yes,
something that I used to do in the past.
yes, yes.
Okay, very good, Kiran. So, okay, so then you like Sauji ma'am. So now tell me, when you teach your students, do you also do what you liked about Sauji ma'am?
In the past time, students were different,
Okay,
and yes, but now my students are different.
Okay, what is the difference? Tell me.
I used to hesitate, but now students are
Able
um,
to talk?
students are able to talk without hesitation.
Yes, very good, Kiran. Very good.
Yes,
Okay. Okay. So, Kiran, there is a little passage in the session notes. Are they open in front of you on your screen?
yes, yes,
Okay. Do you see a passage?
yes, ma'am.
It's reading activity.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Shall I read?
Yes, please go ahead.
Okay. A good teacher is not that hard to find, but you must know where to look. The good teachers are well prepared in advance for their education goals. They prepare their plan of action every day to ensure maximum productivity. Teachers teachers have a lot of knowledge about everything, specifically in the subject they specialize in. A good teacher expands their knowledge and continues to provide good answers to their students.
Good.
Similarly, a good teacher is like a friend that helps us in all our troubles.
Good.
A good teacher creates their individual learning process, which is unique and not mainstream.
Yeah.
This makes the students learn the subject in a better manner. In
Hmm.
other words, a good teacher ensures their students are learning efficiently and scoring good marks.
Great.
Most importantly, a good teacher is one who does not
Yeah.
merely focus on our academic performance but our overall development. Only
Mhm.
then can a student truly grow. The good teachers will understand their students' problems and try to deal with them correctly. They make the students feel like they always have someone to talk to if they can't do it at home or with their friends.
Very good. Do you agree with what you just read?
Yes, yes, I totally agree with it. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes. Okay. Those are some good traits about a good teacher. Yes. Important
Yes,
traits. Okay.
right.
There is a word merely that we were reading. Yes. A good
Merely,
teacher
merely.
who does not merely focus on our academic performance, but on overall development. Merely means
Mm.
only.
Only. Okay.
Only. Yeah. Okay. So,
Yes,
like you can
yes.
say, he is a good student. He merely needs to focus on, he just merely needs to practice now. It means he is a good student. He understands everything. He merely needs to practice. He only needs to practice. Okay.
Okay.
So, merely is another.
Uh, yes, yes. I am good at grammar, but I merely focus on speaking practice.
Yes.
I
And
need
you,
to. I need to focus on focus. I need to focus merely on speaking practice.
very good. Fantastic.
Yes.
I love this,
Okay.
Kiran. Okay.
Thank
And there's another word in this passage which is unique. Where we
Unique.
will unique,
Unique.
yes.
Unique.
A good teacher creates their individual learning process, which is unique and not mainstream. What is the meaning of unique?
Unique means only one.
Yes, yes, exactly. It's one of a kind or only one. So
Only one.
you have your unique style of teaching, yeah, which nobody can
Yes.
copy. So it is your
Right.
own personal style.
Right. Right.
Like everyone has their own unique style of talking.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, yes.
There is a diversity in our India, but our India is unique.
Yes, India is a unique country because we have people speaking maybe 100, 500 languages. Yes?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
Yes.
so
Yes.
we are a unique country.
Yes. Yes.
Okay, okay, very good, Kiran. Now, let's talk. Now that we have spoken about teachers and we have read about teachers, let's talk how teachers' life was back then when we were young. when you were growing up and you were in school, right? How much effort do you think teachers were making at that time, and how has it changed now?
They had taken a special period for teaching a moral thing,
Yes.
moral things. When I was a child, and when I used to go in school at that time, uh, I have learned so many things, like before taking meal, we have pray to God, and used to play. We used to share our tiffin. We used to laugh. We used to study together,
Yes.
and we used to share our secrets to each other.
Mm-hmm.
And we used to go um, in a group and play uh, with each other. And if there was a holiday at that time, our parents allow us to go our friends' home, and
Yes.
yes, we used to spend a whole day and play together.
Yes,
Yes.
Kiran, very nice. Such beautiful memories of growing up.
Used to play like that. I used to go to my friend's home and play lagori, chess, and I used to when there were exam at that time. We used to make a group, and we used to solve the question paper um, uh, in a group, and we used to check our paper on that time.
Oh, a self-checking also. Kiran, very good. Beautiful memories. Okay,
And
express.
one thing is more, ma'am.
Yeah.
There is a library. There was a library in my school.
Mm.
Okay.
If there
There was
was.
off period. There was off period. Then we went there and read the small stories book, short story
Oh,
book, short story.
I wish I was also in your school. You really enjoyed your school days.
Right, ma'am. And I was in a girls' school, and now
Uh-huh.
I teach in a girls' school.
Oh my God, your dream come true. Yes?
Right, right, ma'am, right.
Okay. Okay, Kiran. And remember that when we share secrets with someone, not to. I used to share
Okay.
secrets to my friends. I used to
Mhm.
share secrets with my friends.
Okay.
Okay?
Yes, got
We
it. Yes,
express our
yes.
gratitude and we always share secrets with.
Express gratitude. Express gratitude and
Yeah.
share with. Share with.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. We share our secrets with friends. We share our tiffin with friends. We share our problems with our friends. So everything
Right.
that
Yes.
we do with friends. Okay.
With.
Yes,
Yes.
with. Very good. Okay. And when we go to parents allowed us to go to our friend's house,
Allow.
a better word is parents allowed us to visit our friend's house.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes.
Yes. Okay, so from
Mhm.
today's session, remember the usage of used to. Used to
Mhm.
is used when we talk about our past. Some things we used to do, but we don't do them anymore.
Mhm.
Okay?
Mhm.
Okay. And you must
Mhm.
remember these new words that you have learned. You express our gratitude, share secrets with, and we visit.
Right. Yes, ma'am.
The two words you must start using unique and merely.
Merely. Unique and merely. Okay.
Yes?
Yes.
If you go
Merely.
somewhere also, you can say it was a very unique experience.
Mhm. Today I have taken unique experience with you.
Oh, thank you so much. Yes, today's session has been a unique experience. My God, Kiran,
Okay.
you are
Has
a
been.
very
Has
good
been.
student. You are
Yes.
you are a really extremely good student.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, Kiran. So that's the end of our session today, and we will meet another time and have some more fun conversations. Till then, keep practicing and use these words now in your vocabulary.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, definitely.
Okay, Kiran. Okay, bye bye. Have a
Nice
great.
to talk with you, ma'am.
Yes,
Again.
same here, Kiran. Same here.
Yes,
Thank
we
you.
will meet soon, ma'am. Again.
Yes, most certainly. Okay. Bye. Bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye.